I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and we're here with our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Oh man, do I got something special for you. It's going to tie in real nicely with the upcoming MotoGP race in Austin, Texas this weekend. This helmet is a replica for a very special rider. A rider who at 5 feet 6 inches tall, 130 pounds, can run with and bump start a 250 plus horsepower MotoGP bike. After all that, running around that bike on the grid takes him a lap and a half to take the lead. Look at this gorgeous helmet, Shoei X-Fourteen Marquez graphic. This is the red one that we're showing you here. It's a great lid, super sexy graphic. Belongs to arguably one of the greatest riders in the world. Looking forward to seeing him this weekend. You know what? And all that other stuff, that stuff was really kind of funny. Right until he knocked over Jesus.